What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Prophet. I'm back for a new video. I got some info for my giveaway, and I just got one question for GM. Like, what was y'all thinking? If you know me, you're not keeping me a red cup, but it ain't no cup holders in this car nowhere, like nowhere. But I got the answer for that. So come on, let's get to it. All right, now check this out. I know all my third gen owners had this same question. Like, why didn't GM put cup holders in this car? Like, come on, I don't understand that. What I supposed to do? Just like get some tape, put it right there, and then just hope my shit don't slide away. I mean, come on. So I'm finna re-engineer GM's flaw. And I seen this idea on somebody's Instagram page, so I can't take all the credit for this, but I'm gonna give him a shout out. I get credit where credit is due. But check this out. Let me show you this. This is a cup holder from a Volkswagen Jetta that I got off of Amazon. I'm gonna show you what my ideal is. So check this out. All I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this cup holder, I'm gonna install it right here. What you do is, once you pop this up, push the button, cup holder slide out. See that? And there we have it, cup holder. So, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna install this. It's gonna be simple. I got some 3M tape that I'm gonna use. And I'm actually gonna drill 2 holes. I'm gonna put 2 screws in here. I'm gonna mount those inside my HVAC vents up here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take these 2 vents out. They come right out. I already pulled them out. I was gonna show y'all, but it's pretty simple. It's just 2 little bitty tabs. There's a tab on this side, a tab on that side. You just take your flathead screwdriver, pry in between the tab, and the vents pop right out. You see that? Just that simple. Next, I'm gonna take my drill, and I'm gonna drill 2 holes. Okay? So that way, I can get a good secure mount up here. Now, the guy saying do it, he just used the 3M tape. And I'm pretty sure that probably would work, but in case you want to have 2 cups, 2 heavy, big gulps or something, 2 extra large cups, if you're drinking, you need some security, you need some good support. So I'm gonna show y'all. So, first things first, let's get my holes drilled so I can mount this up here and get it a good secure. Okay, so what you gonna need? So I went to Lowe's and grabbed me some screws. I got some nuts and some washers. Now I don't plan on using both of these screws. I'm just gonna use 2, but I got some longer ones just in case to use as a guide. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Then I got me a pair of screwdrivers, flat and Phillips, pliers, a hammer, drill bits. I got this heat gun. This ain't necessary, but I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna show you why I'm gonna use it. Because I'm using this 3M double-sided tape, and I'm using there's my drill. So first things first, I'm gonna show you how I'm going to drill my holes on the cup holder to help mount it. So come on, let's get to it. All right, so based off my measurements, I'm gonna drill my holes right here in these 2 spots, because you don't want to go nowhere else like around this part or this middle part, because there's a track that these right here slide across. You don't want your screws to interfere with the track. So I'm gonna go right here. So let's get to it. All right, so I got my holes drilled in here now. Now I'm gonna use a pin and just stick it in the back, come through the front. I'm gonna use that to make a mark so I can drill my holes through the dashboard. Okay, so now as you see, that 3M tape pretty much held this up for me. And I got my screws and my washers and my nuts to go on there. I use a pair of pliers. I just put it up there for my nut and a screwdriver from the bottom. And I just tightened everything up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the vents back in, clean up some, and then show you my finished product. Okay, quick update. I had to remove that one screw on this side because I was starting to get clearance issues. The way this thing slides in and out, that little track, it was hitting that head of the screw on that side, so it would go in, but it would come out real slow. So I just pulled that one side out. Just this one screw with that washer is all you're gonna need. And if you look on this side, you see like a little track already starting to be formed, like it's already been scratching. So the more I did this, the easier it started working its way out. So I would just recommend using that one screw, and you should be good to go. So let me go ahead and get these vents back in. So here we go, YouTube. I got a cup holder. Now, still a little bit of binding in here, so it's kind of taking a long time to open up, but there it is. Got my cup up there. Mind your boy in business. I'm ready to ride. See what I'm saying? Then when I'm done, take the cup out, push that boy in. That's all she wrote. Good clean install. See how that look? So I'm gonna leave a link for the Amazon where I got this from, the 3M tape and this cup holder. I'll leave a link in my description. And now I'm going to go ahead and give you an update on my giveaway. Yeah, look at that. That boy mounted. All right, so look, my giveaway details. I'm gonna give away a $100 gift card for my first giveaway. Once I hit 250 subscribers, I'm giving away a $100 gift card. I mean, it's so easy, simple rules. Go to my Race to 1,000 subscriber video and watch for the rules on how you can enter. I'm gonna put up a list right now for everybody who already did it. If you don't see your name on there, just leave a comment, let me know. I can go back and double check it. But if you're already one of my subscribers and you're interested in being in my giveaway, I'll give you a chance. All you gotta do is just shout out my page. Just screenshot my YouTube channel or my Instagram and just do a shout out. Tag my name in it, send me a DM so I can know you did it. Just like that, and you're entered. So, I mean, it's like I said, easy money. It's nothing to it. Easy steps, and you entered. So why not take this chance to win some free money? So, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Join this process. Like this video, leave a comment, all that YouTube stuff. Y'all already know. So stay tuned in.